Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have a new cool song for me from Kacey Musgraves, Loneliest Girl. And a little bit sad, still a great song. Before we move on with that, we're gonna showcase our new channel here. It's Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I'm gonna put the link up here somewhere on my left side. That is a channel, it's a new started channel. We're gonna learn to play songs from the beginning till the very end. It's a full playthrough with chords shown. You just follow along and learn them very easily there. So yeah, help me out. Go and subscribe to that channel and be a member there as well. Now let's move on with this tutorial. I don't have any capo. I'm gonna go with these 5 chords needed for the song. Without any capo, that means we're gonna use, I believe, 4 bar chords. Okay, a little bit hefty for some of you guys. So if you wanna learn how to play this song with a capo and reduce it to only 2 bar chords, then leave me a message here, comment, and I'm gonna show you how to play that. But I think it sounds better with all these bar chords and have that with us. So that is what you're gonna learn right now. Again, if you want to have it as easy as possible using a capo, then hit me up with a message. Now let's go into this one and learn the chords needed. We're gonna start with B first. So B is a bar on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings there from bottom up, and then you're gonna need to add 4th fret D string, 4th G, and 4th B. I showed you in the introduction of the tutorial how to play with a secondary bar in front of as well. So what I do there, I place my ring finger or so on the 4th fret and I push down the D, G, and B, perhaps even all the way down. If you go all the way down with that secondary bar in front, then stay away from the last E string. That one, the highest E string, with a strumming hand. So play in the middle. So there you have the B first. Now into the next chord, which is F sharp. And what you're going to do there is to stay with that bar on the 2nd fret. This time you push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th A, 4th D, and 3rd G. That is F sharp. Then we're going to move on with the C sharp minor. Okay, so that will be a bar on the 4th fret now. 5 strings if you count from bottom up. And then you need to add 6th D, 6th G, and 5th on B string. That's the C sharp minor. And while we're here on the 4th fret, you're going to go to the G sharp minor. We're going to use it once later on. The bridge part, that's a bar on the 4th fret, this time all strings. And then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And finally, we have one unbarred chord. So that is the E. You're gonna play open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. It's very simple. It's down, up, down, up. So if you grab the first chord B, you're gonna start like this. That is one strumming round. So the first verse goes B, 2, then F sharp, 2, then E, 4. And that's one round. You're going to play for 4 rounds. That is the first verse. So B2, F sharp 2, and E 2, 3, and 4. 4 times of that, and that is the first verse. Second verse comes right after, and it's a little bit different. The first 3 rounds here is played B2, F sharp 2, E2, and C sharp minor 2. That's the first 3 rounds. The 4th round goes B2, F sharp 2, and E2. So the first 3 rounds goes like this. And the 4th round goes in the same way as the first verse. After the 2 first verses, we're going to hit the first chorus, about 1 minute and 11 seconds in. Yes, so that's where we are. And what you're going to play now is B2, F sharp 2, C sharp minor 2, E2. That's the first half. And then the second half goes B2, F sharp 2, and E4. All that being one full round, you're going to play for 2 rounds. So B2, F sharp 2, C sharp 2, E2, then again B2, F sharp 2, and E4. 2 rounds of that, and then comes an instrumental part right after. It's B2, F sharp 2, C sharp minor 2, and E2 for 1 round. Yes. Then comes the third verse. Okay. So what you're gonna play now is B2, F sharp 2, E4. Okay. Then B2, F sharp 2. F sharp 2, yes, and then E2 and C sharp minor 2. And then you're going to finish off with the last 2 rounds, B2, F sharp 2, and E4. I don't have to play through that. I believe you understand by now how it's done. And after that comes this second chorus, and it's played exactly the same way as the first one we just learned. Then comes the bridge part, and it happens about 2 minutes and 56 seconds in. This is where you need to use now the G sharp minor. So what you're going to play now is the G sharp minor 2, F sharp 2, E4. Then you're going to play B2, F sharp 2, E4 for 2 rounds. So the first round goes G sharp, F sharp, E4. Then 2 rounds of this. Yes. And after that, my friends, we have just the outro part left. What you're going to play here is B2, F sharp 2, and then E. 12 rounds, guys. 12 rounds on that E. You're just going to stay on that. 12 rounds plus 1 down. And that is how the song ends. Kacey Musgraves, Loneliest Girl. So sad. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. And till next time, play tuned.